We'll guide you through how to make an Instagram business page or account. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. In this day and age, having an online business presence is key. So to get started, you may already have a profile or page you want to use. If you don't though, you can click on the three lines in the top right of your existing personal account maybe. Scroll to the bottom of the settings and activity, click on add account, and you can create a new profile for your business. If you already have one though, you can then go and make this into a business one. To do that, you click on the three lines in the top right. You then want to go and scroll down to the section for professionals and click on account type and tools. Click on switch to professional account. You can get these extra features with it. Press next. Find what best describes you and you can then click on switch to professional account. You can select business and click on next. Review your contact info, you can click on next, or if you don't want to use it, click that. You can connect your Facebook page if you want to, and you can then go through these different steps to fully set up your account. You don't have to though, and you can do it later. You can press the cross in the top right. And that's it, you've made a business page. You can go and get to the professional dashboard, which has got useful features on as well. If you found this useful, then leave a like.